Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explain video series, I'm going to explain how to use Randbetween function in Microsoft Excel. I'm going to talk about the parameters and I'm going to talk about how you can use it. Okay, let's get started. Now, how to create random numbers in Microsoft Excel. This tutorial is going to answer this question also. Okay, we are going to use the Randbetween function here. Okay, now let's apply the function and learn how you can use it. Okay, I'm going to write equal to and then you can see here Randbetween. Okay, so this function is really simple. Okay, it will give you the random number between a bottom and top range. Okay, so first parameter is bottom. That means I'm going to give it a number, let's say 100, and if I press comma it will move to the second parameter which is top. So in this range I'm going to give it 1000. Okay, now if I close parenthesis you can see Randbetween. That means it will generate random number between 100 and 1000. Okay, and if I press enter you can see it has given an integer number 134. Now there is one important thing you should remember, that Randbetween function always changes when the worksheet recalculates, or you open the worksheet, or you save the worksheet, or you do anything on your worksheet. So whenever you do something on your worksheet, the result will be changed. Let me show you how. If I double click here and just click anywhere on the worksheet, it will recalculate. You can see the number has changed. So if you need to keep this number fixed, so simply copy it, and if you right click here, click on paste special and then click paste as values. Okay, so the formula is now changed. So you don't have any formula here, it's just a number. Now let me show another way to use the Randbetween function. Select a data range and write equal to and then write Randbetween bottom range 100, top range 1000, close parenthesis. Now if I press Ctrl plus enter, let's see what happens. You can see the Randbetween function is applied to the whole selection. Okay, so if I need to keep these values, copy this and paste as value from paste special option. Okay, this is the result and this number will change continuously. So this is how you can use Randbetween function, and also this is how you can generate random numbers in Microsoft Excel. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial and don't forget to subscribe.